Namaskar. Omega-3 is one of the most important nutrients for your heart and brain. Cardiologists say that it's one of the top 3 supplements along with vitamin D and magnesium. But our body doesn't produce naturally omega-3. So we need to get it from food. Most people believe that fatty fish is the only source of omega-3. But have you ever thought about where fish gets its omega-3 from? They don't make it themselves. They absorb it from the microalgae in the ocean. So there are many good sources of vegetarian food for omega-3 along with microalgae based supplement. Flaxseeds, chia seeds and walnut are some excellent plant based sources of omega-3. Today I will share 2 delicious and easy homemade recipe to help you include more omega-3 in your diet. These recipes are simple, tasty and packed with benefits. The first recipe is flaxseed and coconut ladoo. This is a wholesome treat because flax seeds are among the richest plant-based source of omega-3. So you will need 1 cup flaxseed, half cup grated coconut, fresh or dried, 1/4 cup jaggery or date paste, 1 teaspoon ghee or coconut oil, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons chopped nuts like almonds, walnuts. And now see, start by roasting flaxseed slightly. Then grind them into a coarse powder. Melt the ghee or coconut oil in a pan and add grated coconut. Stir for a moment. Add jaggery and mix until it mixes. And then put ground flaxseed into it, cardamom and nuts also. Mix it well and shape into a small balls when they are warm and let them cool. These laddus are very special because flax seeds are full of lignin, which balance hormones and keeps your skin supple. Coconut also gives you healthy fat that improves your metabolism. Nuts like almonds and walnut are good for your brain and protect it against age-related issues like loss of memory. Having 1 or 2 of these laddus daily can keep your energy level high and your skin nice and radiant. Now let's move to our next recipe, which is kheer made from chia and walnut. Chia seeds are tiny, but they contain good amount of fiber and protein, and it has even omega-3. When combined with walnut, almond milk and cardamom, this kheer becomes very delicious. Take 2 tablespoons chia seed, 2 cups of almond milk or cow's milk according to your preference, 2 tablespoons of jaggery or date syrup, 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts, half teaspoon cardamom powder, a few saffron strands optional. First soak chia seed in warm milk for 10-15 minutes until they swell. Then add jaggery and mix well. Stir in chopped nuts, cardamom and saffron. Serve it nice and warm. This kheer is good for you because chia seed improves the health of your gut, and this directly boosts your immunity and the clarity of your skin. Walnuts are known as brain food as they are good in maintaining focus and memory. Milk provides essential vitamins and minerals that keep your bones and muscles strong. You can have a bowl of this kheer in the morning or in the evening. That would keep your energy levels steady and give you a restful sleep. Remember, besides good nutrition, you must follow a balanced lifestyle to maintain a good health. For example, regular asanas, pranayam, or a simple morning walk can boost circulation and keep your body active. You need quality sleep to repair yourself and help balance your hormones. To make sleep a priority, again, stress creates its own set of problems. To reduce stress, practice some form of simple meditation. It's not very difficult. Just start with 3 to 5 minutes in the beginning. Your body will respond beautifully to this self-care activities and good nourishment. So, for next 21 days. I advise you to try these simple recipes. Make some small lifestyle shifts and experience the change you feel in yourself. Namaskar.